Yeah, slow mo. Babe, let me look. Turn it up.
Hey beauties, welcome back for another Luscious Vlogcast. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are always aware of when my videos are uploaded. Fresh Beauty has been one of those brands that have been on my skincare wish list for the longest of times, and I really like what the brand is. They actually started way back in 1991 as an apothecary store, and now they're just a cult favorite all over Instagram, mainly for their soy and sake and sugar products. I chose the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, which is incredibly lightweight, but it packs a powerful moisture punch and it attracts and increases moisture levels for up to 24 hours of deep hydration. For me, I also choose my products based on what is affordable from the brand at the particular time, and also because many of these are mini sizes of the brand. Most of these products I am just trying out for the very first time, so it's important for me to be able to try a small sample size first before committing to the actual larger product. Some of the ingredients does say that there is rose water, rose flower oil, angelica leaf extract, and vitamin E. And upon opening this, I can immediately smell that rose scent in this product. And I would agree that when I applied this product to my skin, it immediately got absorbed into my skin. So you can know that it's very moisturizing and it can soothe dry skin. Okay, now let's see what else is in this box that I'm going to pull out, and many of you should be familiar with this brand. This is Drunk Elephant, and this is their Nice to Meet You product. Now, this Nice to Meet You product has two minis in here and also a small packet of a third product. Now, they have in this pack the mini version of the Proteini Polypeptide Cream, which is a 15 ml, and then they have the mini version of the Sly Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. I particularly chose these products obviously because of the pricing. This is one of the cheaper products you'll find on Cult Beauty, and with the pricing it came with two mini size products as well as a sample, so I thought that it was a really good deal. Just wanted to mention that the Proteini Polypeptide Cream was a facial moisturizer. Now this Bamboo Booster exfoliant is what it says. It's an exfoliant that you would use to remove dead skin cells from your skin, particularly the ones that can accumulate on the surface of your skin overnight. And then the second mini in this Nice to Meet You set is the Sly Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. I really like the balms and butter cleansers because these are really good for melting away traces of dirt, makeup, and sunscreen from your skin. And as you use this, it turns into like this oil to milk formula, so you add water and it starts to get really milky as you start to rub this into your skin. I'm really excited to try these products from Drunk Elephant. I'm excited to try as many products from Drunk Elephant as much as I possibly can. I just think the packaging is really cute. Everything is very simple, and then they don't use the suspicious six. So I think overall I'm very impressed with what I've seen from the Drunk Elephant brand so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you the texture because I love showing people the texture of how products look, and this looks just like any regular melting butter or balm that you would see. I'm excited to try this out because I've recently purchased a few other balms, and so I want to compare each one of them to see which one I feel is the best. So make sure you look out for another video for that. And then this looks like a regular moisturizer, just the typical white creamy looking moisturizer. And so I'm going to give this a test out and bring a full review in another video very soon. Okay, so these are my two little minis from Drunk Elephant, and can I just say the cover on this is just so cute. There's like a little outline of a little elephant on top there, so I thought that was really cute. Now, this next product was not an intentional purchase. I happened to be scrolling on Instagram and I saw this beautiful flat lay, and they had a large size product from this brand called Verse. And I was like, well, what is Verse? I've never heard of them. So I decided that while I was doing my Cult Beauty checkout that I would actually add just a simple product from them. Now, there were two cheap products that I felt like I could have purchased. One was this, the Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel, and the other was a Cleansing Balm. Now, because I already have a cleansing balm, cleansing butter from Drunk Elephant, I thought, you know what? I don't have a peel. Let me try the peel. And I'm glad that I bought it. Now, this Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel boasts a blend of resurfacing lactic and glycolic acid. It also has rejuvenating vitamin A, as well as skin conditioning allantoin, rosehip, and vitamin E to keep the skin calm. It's pH balanced, it's non-drying and non-irritating. So you can say goodbye to angry redness inducing peels and hello to refreshed and glow skin instead. I wanted to show you the texture or consistency of this product, but for some reason, like I really just couldn't find the use by date. Duh, it was on top of the box the whole time. I didn't see it. So I didn't open this product so that you could see it. But I will be doing a review of this product in the weeks or months ahead. So make sure that you are still subscribed to my channel so that you can see the review on this product. Now we are going to go and bounce back into this box so that I can now pull out the next product for you to see. And I want to say that this particular product, which is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, was kind of an influence purchase. I've been binge watching on one of my new favorite skincare YouTubers, and they talked so well about this particular product, and I thought, you know what? I gotta have it. Now, this product has two benefits. You can use this as a moisturizing cleanser, or you can also use it as a deep cleaning mask when you leave it on your skin for 5 to 8 minutes. It didn't really come with much information except for this little packet, and it was packaged in a clear kind of plastic bag, so I had to go to the website to get this information. But what I will say is that this also has glycolic and lactic acid, the same thing that's in the Verse Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel. So when you are mixing your products together, you have to make sure that you check the ingredients, because some products could have the exact same ingredients and you don't want to be putting too much of the same ingredient on your face. Now this is brand new. I'm not going to open this yet to show you the texture because you can actually see it through the bottle, but I'm particularly very happy to have this in my inventory. What I really liked about Cult Beauty as well is that when you spend a certain amount of dollars on the website, they give you the option to choose free samples. And these aren't cheap samples. These are quality samples from really nice brands that I probably would not have otherwise discovered anyway. One of these is from Ouai or Ouai, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, and it is a medium hair shampoo and conditioner set. The shampoo is good for nourishing your hair and has babusu and coconut oil, and the conditioner also has babusu and coconut oil in it, and it's good for strengthening keratin. The second sample that I decided to choose was this one from Drunk Elephant again. This is their TLC Happy Scalp Scrub, and this is good for like dissolving dead skin cells from your skin. And also, if you use a lot of styling products, this would be good to help break down some of that gunky buildup that we can have on our scalps as well. Overall, I'm really excited with all of these products that I was able to discover on Cult Beauty. I'm satisfied with the pricing. I'm satisfied with the shipping time as well as the delivery time. I highly recommend Cult Beauty for places that you want to shop. Now, the moment that you've been waiting for is here, the giveaway details. In this video, there is a clue to exactly what that giveaway is. When you see it, I need you to comment, "I see it." Also include your Instagram handle in the comment section as well. 3 things that you need to do. You need to follow me on Instagram. You need to be able to subscribe to my channel. And also you need to comment under this video, "I see it," as well as your Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching my video and good luck.